talk about how can you face this problem on your Yuka app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on search settings down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for here Yuka app, or just click here on search. Then here add Yuka app, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here. So then you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.